scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the graph of an integral function is easier than you think. Let's break down this calculus problem together and find the right answer fast. First, look at the graph of f. Since g is the integral of f, the function f is actually the derivative of g. Notice f is a linear increasing line. Because the derivative is a linear function, the original function g must be a parabola. We also know g of 1 equals 0 because the integral limits are the same. Since f is positive for x greater than 1, g must increase there. This matches an upward opening parabola, making option D correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given info, and check your steps.